Oh, that's a long way down. All right, let's get some settings right. I'm not awake to do this.
Me flip walking.
That's what it feels like.
That's a nice tree.
It's a very nice tree. If there's a little sun flare that was coming through.
Would your 16 get that? Yeah, it would.
Well, that'd be better if there was a subject like you were standing there looking at the tree, so then you kind of get scale. And look up at the tree for a sec. All right. I don't even know if that's straight or not. Yeah, there's like this cave, I think it's up there.
Yeah, it is.
I wonder if the 16mm is wide enough.
There's also a cool little waterfall area like up the top somewhere. Look at this hike, mate.
Hang on, stay there. That's a cool. Just hang on. Like that. Ready, set. Yep. Oh, this sucks after legs. Don't think I need to go to the gym today after this.
Nah, this is my exercise for today.
Kinda wish I had a 14mm actually. Whoa. Is 16 gonna be wide enough? I'm gonna have to keep using you as a subject.
Yeah, do it.
Could you stand maybe, see where that rock is just there on the ground? That pointy one? Yeah, just stand about there. Yep. All right, 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Sorry? Up there? Yeah. You gotta walk uphill. Even that's a cool shot right here.
Where do you want to look?
Maybe out that way? Yep. Hang on. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, God.
Might try one without a subject and just see what that looks like. Try and use some leading lines here.
Quick, you gotta put it coming up. Even this side's pretty cool. If you were able to capture that, my 24 is not wide enough.
Yeah, my 16 is not really that wide either. Like,
Oh, damn.
ooh. Bit of a little light flare.
Time lapse of a gangster. Look how quick these clouds are moving.
Yeah, I wish I brought my Gorilla Pod.
I got one.
I just can't be bothered waiting 20 minutes for a time lapse to be done.
Back. Alright, let's keep going up. Cardio ain't your thing, hey?
Nah, not really. I lift weights and I drop weights. Everywhere looks the same.
Yeah,
Trees.
that's the thing about shooting like these areas. Like, I've shot a couple of these nature sort of landscapes and I can't do it.
Trees, mountain, and more trees.
That was a good pick.
It looks very dreamy.
Dreamy.
It's like very dreamy. I feel dreamy. Because I think for scenes like this, you just need a subject.
100%.
How we doing?
There you go.
How about yourself?
Yeah, good.
Good. Center, I reckon. All right, 3, 2, 1. There we go.
Let's see. Oh,
Left, right, straight, up, down, right.
probably
Left.
The other way is a shortcut back to the car.
Oh, that's a good way to go. What about if we just do a very low shot to the ground? I reckon this will look gangster. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's pretty high as well. Oh, that was a long way down. I don't know what you took a photo of, but did you take a photo of that path down there?
Yeah, have a look at it. It was
like I just took
some of this. It was getting some of this bush.
Yeah, I just took the exact same photo, but just from this angle.
Your dog.
That's alright.
There's some nice like painting over there.
I just pretend you're taking a photo again.
Oh, there's a bit of harsh sun.
So, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Oh, that sun's warm.
For the plateau hike.
Which one's the easiest?
Up.
Okie dokie.
I don't know.
Oh, my legs.
Definitely chose the harder one.
Oh, yeah. Anything going uphill is harder. There better be a decent lookout.
I don't actually know. I've never done this one.
Oh, damn it.
You want to commit to this?
Yeah, we might as well. We're already started it. It's so rocky. We're gonna go this way up to Pretty Corner. We go back to the car park.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna go up.
Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Go on. Come on, legs, wake up. How is this pretty?
Yeah, pretty hard corner to keep it.
Ah, that's a cool rock.
Wait, I don't know where you're going.
I'm following a trail. Where are you going? Oh, right. That's a cool landscape. Yeah, nothing much is really happening.
Yeah.
But you take the photo anyway. It's better to take the photo than not take the photo.
Yep. You heard?
Are we there yet?
I actually don't know.
Are we there yet?
Not sure.
What about now?
We're almost there.
You sure?
Yep. And by there, I mean just stop at this corner. After the corner though, there's still more.
Now it feels like we're just lost.
Yeah, 100% we are. Oh, it's down that way, I know that much.
Down there?
Yeah.
I thought it's down there.
Bro,
Yeah.
you gonna take my jumper off real quick?
Alright. Better?
Come on. The Pretty Corner lookout. I feel like we have to commit to the Pretty Corner lookout.
Oh, it better be a bloody pretty corner.
Looks like a pretty shit corner. What? I feel like we're almost there. Oh, we're about to hit the road.
A road?
Oh look, that was a...
Oh, that's a cool shot. Of the road? Where does it...
when this bike rider goes up.
How we doing? Good.
Worth it.
There is one spot at Morialta I want to find, but I just can't be stuffed.
Yeah, that's where I was going to take you.
Where's that?
It's back that way.
How far that way?
Don't know, because I haven't done this track that we just did. We need to go back down.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. At that point where I said Pretty Corner, or the other way? It was the other way.
I feel like it'll be a decent hike up there too.
You potentially. Well, no, I think it's all down from now. I don't know. You can get over there.
Okay. Hang on, I want to try and get a... No one's coming. I can't tell if that's straight or not. Oh, people. Maybe I should have put my camera away.
Oh, you should be alright.
Oh.
I can hold it.
Cheers, brother.
I just ended up jumping it with your camera anyway. I took all the liability.
These rocks are kind of cool.
Yeah, the water level is low. It's usually gushing.
Next minute.
Yeah, good.
Oh, that's a long way down. Good enough. Let's try to add some foreground element or something. It's just a rock and trees. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's alright. Alright, well, I'm going to end my video here. So, if you enjoyed it, please consider liking and subscribing. Go follow AJ on all of his socials. I'll put them somewhere here. And yeah, with all that being said, stay safe, love you all, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Ugh. Are we nearly out the car yet?
Tom, shut the f